Hi, this is Michael from High Tech Trader. This is a tube furnace, 6-inch, with 3 controllers. Thermocouple wires, inlet for the power, coming around. We just fired it up. I'm sending over the pictures now. This bottom controller, it just needs a little love because I reset it and it seems to be working fine. Initially it throws an H error, but then I think it's because it's programmed. I just cleared it and off it ran up. Okay. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call 609-518-9100.